Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. There's so much room in this Traverse that those driving the competitors' cars are filled with cargo envy. It's well equipped with the features you need: V6 engine, heated steering wheel, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, auto dimming mirrors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. This from Kelley Blue Book, offering the roominess of a traditional SUV but car-like handling and better fuel economy. There's a lot to like about crossover SUVs in general and the Traverse in particular. Chevy, 100 years of icons. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.